Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Somali. Coming on here with another freaking video. Okay, so today I have a headband wig from Unice hair. I absolutely love working with Unice hair because they always give you goodies. So in the boxing, I don't have the boxing anymore because I've been like literally rocking this wig, but I'll get into that later on in the video. But they do give you a wig cap, and they also gave me 2 headbands to go with my headband wig. I went ahead and I already pressed her out because, yeah, I've been rocking her to the gym, so she's been sweaty, but she's clean now. And yeah, I'm just going to put her on for you guys. This is 18 inches, and it is 150% density. I just love this wig. It's so simple. It's so easy. No glue. It's first off, it's springtime and it's about to be summertime, so we don't want our forehead sweating to the point where our wig slide off. We're not trying to deal with none of that this summer, none of that. So the headband wigs really changed the game. Period. They have the combs in the front, and they also have combs in the back. This is the Velcro strap that you use to tie it in the back. So it goes like this. And yeah, I'm just about to go ahead and apply her. I already gelled my edges down as best as I could. I think I did good. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. But wait, y'all see the waves on Swin? Waves on Swin, so they hate on him. They hate on her. They hate on him. You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. Secure that in the back. And then I'm just going to swoop my hair over to one side. Period. Y'all, I get so happy. I don't know why. New hair makes me happy. That's it. Bam, boom. Boom, bam. So you can pull the headband forward like this, which is cute, but I ain't gonna do that. Because I'm actually feeling what I did with the gel and the baby hairs and all that. I want it pushed back. Okay? Okay? And that's it. Like, I put a little bump to it. I hate this little line of demarcation. Put a little bump to it, and I feel like they gave me the perfect headbands. It matched the fit. So this is headband number 1, and I feel like it's perfect. Like, it goes with the fit, it goes with the makeup. It's just like spring wear, spring hair, spring hair. I absolutely love this. They gave me a pink one, which I think is really cute, but this one I feel like goes with the outfit, it goes with the makeup, so this is the one we about to put on. Yes, yes, I'm feeling tropical. Put me on an island somewhere. Put me in Barbados. Put me somewhere, okay? Take me somewhere. I absolutely love this. I love it. You can style it a bunch of different ways. I I love that you could rock it like in a low pony. This is normally like how I wear it to the gym. I'll rock it in a low pony, or I'll throw my hat on and just have it hanging out the back. But it's like really cute. Me personally, because y'all know, if you've been subscribed to the channel for a minute, you know how I like to rock my hair. Like, I will do flip over method to anything. Hence my profile picture. I love the flip over method. Like, I love my hair flipped over to one side. It's real cute. It's real classy. So this is also an option that you can do. And you can also put it up in a ponytail. I think this is perfect for spring. This is perfect for spring, perfect for summer. You don't want your hair on your neck sweating and sticking to. You don't want none of that. You don't want none of that. Remember that you are wearing a wig, ladies, so be conscious of your wig and make sure that your band is actually covering your wig so that you can achieve a natural high ponytail with this wig.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me.
So literally your options are endless with this wig. Like, you're really getting a bang for your buck because you can style it in so many different ways. It's so beginner friendly. And I don't know about y'all, but I won't be in lace wigs this summer. I'm gonna be rocking my Headband Wig from Unice hair. I absolutely love it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, y'all know I'm gonna look out for y'all. Y'all know your girl gonna look out for my subscribers. So if you're interested in purchasing this unit, make sure you use this promo code right here at checkout to get money off of your order. I will put the link down below so that you can purchase. Girl, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.